Hello again, and welcome to a new video. This time, I want to talk to you about low-code and no-code technologies and why they have become a pioneering tool for companies that want to succeed in today's competitive world where innovation is a key element to achieve it. Stay with me until the end. Believe me, you won't regret it. Let's take it one step at a time. Before we dive into the subject, it's necessary to understand the basic concepts. So, what do the terms low-code and no-code refer to? Low-code technology allows you to develop applications using a graphical interface, while no-code allows you to develop applications without programming. You may wonder why companies find these technologies so irresistible. Well, let me give you some examples of their capabilities. Whether we're talking about e-commerce or the healthcare sector, low-code and no-code are opening many new doors to the fast delivery of solutions that meet specific customer needs. And now that I'm talking about this, speed is definitely the main benefit for companies because they can develop apps in less time without the need for sophisticated developers. In addition, these solutions make the customer's experience with the interfaces much more pleasant. But that's not all. This extraordinary tool makes it possible to respond faster to market needs and today's trends thanks to its great capacity for integration with multiple other systems. You may wonder what other industries are enjoying the benefits of this technological marvel. Well, please allow me to mention just some of them. Let's talk about e-commerce, where the competition to attract more and more customers is fierce because companies need fast and customized solutions to achieve it. Luckily for them, no-code and low-code provide them with the possibility of creating interactive sites, mobile apps, and offering them faster data analysis tools. All this increases customer engagement levels and improves their shopping experience. I've already mentioned the healthcare sector before. Well, in this industry, accessibility and efficiency are essential elements. For that reason, developing apps for better management of patient data and more efficient tracking of test results are basic actions that low-code and no-code make possible. All this contributes to making it possible to guarantee the security and confidentiality of patients' medical data. In the financial sector, preciseness and speed are fundamental, and low-code and no-code solutions allow financial companies to create tools for risk analysis, portfolio management, accounting process automation, and banking services. Of course, this will improve the efficiency of their operational processes and the service they provide to their customers. When it comes to education, interactive tools are a priceless element because thanks to them, teachers can create educational apps, e-learning platforms, or test generators for students. These resources, in addition to making life easier for teachers, also make learning much more attractive for students. Process optimization and location tracking are key to achieving the highest levels of efficiency in the logistics and transportation industry. The good news is that low-code and no-code applications allow companies dedicated to these services to create tools for shipment monitoring, fleet management, or route planning. This helps shorten delivery times and reduce operating costs. Obviously, these are just some examples of the many uses and benefits offered by these technologies, but each industry can find its own practical application. And now, changing the subject a bit, have you heard about AI integration? No? Well, this is one more advantage because thanks to it, we can use machine learning models for data or image analysis or natural language processing. You may wonder what business areas this integration is transforming. Let me give you a few examples. Low-code and no-code applications can analyze huge amounts of data through the use of machine learning models. Thanks to the creation of reports, statements, and analyzing charts, it's possible to achieve more precise trend analysis, forecasting performance, and better reasoned business decisions. Integration with natural language processing allows no-code and low-code applications to understand and analyze human language. As a result, companies can create chatbots that can communicate with customers in such a natural way that they appear to be talking to another human being able to process their questions and comments. AI's ability to analyze images and sounds allows it to offer numerous opportunities in the area of pattern recognition. Low-code and no-code applications can recognize objects in photos, sounds in recordings, and even read emotions on people's faces. Integration with AI enables the automation of repetitive tasks. Thanks to this, low-code and no-code applications can respond to specific conditions or perform data analysis without the need for human intervention. Low-code and no-code are not just simple tools, but elements that are truly transforming the way companies create and develop software. These wonderful technologies offer endless opportunities to business while increasing their scalability and speeding up their time for digital development. To better understand what I mean by this software developing revolution, let me mention a few examples. Thanks to the speed and flexibility achieved, companies can respond more quickly to the needs of today's demanding and ever-changing marketplace, create prototypes and MVP applications in less time, and then refine them based on customer and user feedback. Due to the creative experimentation, innovation, and scalability provided by low-code and no-code tools, companies can actively develop their system using the latest technology trends. Thanks to these wonderful tools, different teams in the company can create applications without requiring too much programming knowledge, which accelerates the process of implementing innovations. We can summarize everything I just told you by saying that the future of low-code and no-code technologies is quite optimistic, and in the coming years, we'll surely see an increase in their integration with AI, which will allow a wider reach of users. This is because, thanks to this combination, companies can create intelligent and sophisticated applications capable of analyzing data, providing decision support, and offering personalized and interactive experiences. So, tell me, now that you know all about low-code and no-code technologies, is it a little clearer to you why their integration with AI is so attractive to companies? I'll be looking forward to reading your comments. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at my LinkedIn account. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new content.